Yo, why you recording now, son? What happened? Why you recording, pussy? What happened, son? Huh? Niggas bugging. Stop recording, nigga. You pussy, nigga. You just like me, nigga. You pussy, nigga. Nigga will record when I'm leaving, nigga. That's a fact, this nigga pussy, nigga. This nigga's pussy. Now you with all my chains and all my jewelry. Fuck you, you dead man. These niggas will record from afar. I'm telling you, son. So what? Yo, look. Y'all niggas picking and choosing. Look, I'ma tell you what I don't like about y'all niggas. Look, hear me up. Y'all see this? Look, I'ma make this real clear. I don't give a fuck about none of these niggas. Y'all see the King Von situation? It was 20 niggas, 20 versus 1. If it was the other way around and King Von would have pulled out a gun and shot Quando Rondo or Lil Tim, y'all would be like, yo, I told you he's a demon. Son is a fucking demon. I told you he got murders under his belt. I told you he got murders under his belt. Right or wrong? Y'all gonna be like, nah, but son, nah. Y'all gonna make all these excuses, right? Nah, because if King Von would have murdered somebody that night, y'all would have chose his side and said, yo, son is a demon, son. I told you son is a demon. Son is a demon. I told you he catch bodies. When he died, y'all all said Quando Rondo, why you had to shoot? It was a fight. When these the same niggas that rap, ain't no fair ones, we shoot. Don't run up or we gonna shoot. Right or wrong? Yo, play the cap rap. When I mean cap rap, yo, King Von said, I swear to my mother, I drop dead right now if I'm lying. King Von said, when I die, my niggas gonna slide every day. Am I lying? I don't know what song is that. King Von said, when I die, my niggas is gonna slide every day. Cat, nigga. That shit is cat. Who slipped for King Von yet? That nigga resting fucking pissed, nigga. Fucking dumb, nigga. Cause they ain't like that, nigga. How many niggas dying, nigga? That day they shot you, I slid on the Mongols. Cat, nigga. Slid where, nigga? You slid to the studio. You booked 4 hours, nigga. That's where you slid, nigga. Facts. Let's see if I get academics on this shit. Hold on. How you join people? Yeah. Nah, not right now. I'm gonna save it for the other shit. Yeah, join. Yeah. Is joining him? He should join.